Welcome back, guys. In the last video we look at the for loop, and in this video we'll be looking at the for each loop. Now for each loop is used with an array when you want to perform a certain now a for each loop is used on an array when you want to perform a certain operation on a part on each element in that array. Now for example, let's just create an array and let's say give it a variable name of array, and right here we're going to say uh to uh name, let's say if an integer frank. So these are just random items I picked, and we can now perform the for each loop. So this is how you perform the for each loop, and right here I can say array, and let's just delete this as value. Now if we should echo the value out, and let's just do a break, and if we should come here and refresh, you can see this has given us the value of the arrays one after the other, and we can go ahead and perform whatever we want to do with this value. We can say items, and if we should refresh, you can see the item is now in front of each of the array. So this is basically how you loop through an array. It's actually more complex than this, but as a beginner I'm showing you how you can actually do this the easy way. So